Breaking. Robinhood and Binance may be poised to accomplish something amazing with Shiba Inu that might significantly affect Shiba Inu value. You can't afford to miss this video if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or if you own any Shib tokens, because I will be providing you with all the information and the most recent news about them in this video. What is the most recent information on Shiba Inu Coin, and how will it impact the market value of Shiba Inu? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. But first, let's check at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on July 21 before moving on to our issue. The cost of a Shiba Inu is now around 1790 units. Shib's price has increased by 1% over the last day, and $407 million worth of trades have occurred in that time. The token is now the 14th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more than $10.5 billion. Please remember that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. This is not investment advice. Let's start the video for today now. The top two grayscale gainers are XRP and Shiba Inu. On Grayscale's weekly snapshot, which displays the top 10 cryptocurrencies based on their performances in the previous week between July 7 and July 17, 2024, XRP and Shiba Inu were the two best performing cryptocurrencies. The best performing cryptocurrency is XRP. After spearheading the cryptocurrency rally with a weekly increase of 43.7%, XRP topped the rankings. The tweet's accompanying statistics reveals that, with a $34 billion market valuation, XRP's weekly surge brought its year-to-date returns to 2.8%. The incredible increase by XRP coincided with the year anniversary of Judge Annalisa Torres' ruling, which finally deemed the currency to be non-security. The jubilation sparked a number of speculations that the multi-year legal battle between Ripple and the SEC would soon come to an end. Over the last week, the price of XRP has increased dramatically due to this excitement. But as of the time of publication, XRP's weekly gain has dropped to 16%. With a daily increase of 6%, the seventh largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization is now trading at $0.59. Performance of Shiba Inu in Grayscale snapshot additionally, with a weekly gain of 10.6%, the snapshot data revealed that Shiba Inu was the second best performing token. The most recent relief rally that has been seen over the last week in the larger cryptocurrency market has contributed to Shiba Inu's rise. Additionally, the statistics revealed that as of July 17, Shiba Inu had a market valuation of $11.3 billion and had gained 80.2% year to date. Shiba Inu had a sharp decline on July 18, when hackers released over 5.4 trillion Shib onto the market that they had stolen from WazirX. Consequently, Shib's value dropped by about 2% in a single day at that point. It's interesting to see that the token has regained the majority of its losses. At 1789 units, it's now up 2.24% per day. If you were still watching, please consider hitting the like button. It doesn't cost anything and goes a long way towards supporting the channel. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments about the Shiba Inu currency. When will Shiba Inu recover 4,500 units? Experts in finance forecast the day. With a 3.5% gain in the previous day, Shiba Inu has been a very noteworthy performance in the current bull run in the cryptocurrency market. The increase in 24 hours brings Shiba Inu's 7-day growth to 5.5%. Close competitors like Pepe, Dogecoin, and Dogwafet, on the other hand, have more remarkable percentage increases during the last week. The meme currency is still trading 4.4% behind its monthly high at 1781 units. However, Shiba Inu's current market value indicates a 37.63% rise, given that it was only worth 1294 units 2 weeks ago. According to community experts, when the bull market gains speed over the next several weeks, Shiba Inu will be much more valuable. Prominent industry professionals from a variety of disciplines are weighing in on the prediction landscape in the meantime. In the next months, they predict that Shib's value will climb by twice as much. The findings of an expert poll conducted by independent comparison site Finder, which collected audacious price forecasts for Shiba Inu, were recently updated and made public. 13 experts in the cryptocurrency space were selected by Finder as part of its quarterly review to provide their perspectives on Shib's prospects until 2030. According to the research, the expert panel expects Shib to reach 1,000 units by the end of 2024 on average. Notably, compared to its price of 900 units at the time of the study, this price would have represented a little 11% rise. Surprisingly, Shib has already outperformed this estimate, trading over 1,700 units at the time of publication. This indicates that the meme currency has already surpassed the experts' predictions, indicating that their average projection for Shib's success in 2024 has mainly come true. By 2030, there will be 4,500 Shiba Inu. In addition, the research showed that the panelists predicted that Shib's value would rise to 2,500 units by the end of 2025, which would be a 177% increase from its price of 900 units at the time of the poll. Furthermore, they forecast that by the end of 2030, Shib would sell 4,500 units, a startling 400% rise over its prior pricing. It's interesting to note that Shiba Inu has already exceeded these long-term expectations. The meme currency broke through at 4,500 units, a multi-year high, in March. Shib's price dropped to its present level during the market collapse, although as of June, it was still trading over 2,500 units. Shiba Inu is presently trading at 1,781 units, so the experts' optimistic forecast of 4,500 units by 2030 is beginning to seem more and more likely. To reach this goal, the price would need to rise by a very small 152.6% from where it is now. Notably, Shib has previously shown that it can achieve quick gains, surging 373% in less than 10 days in Q1 to meet the expected goal. This implies that by 2030, the experts' prediction may come to 4,500 units, appear much sooner than anticipated. I believe that Shib will reach its goal of 4,500 units this year, that it may perhaps retest its all-time highs this year, and that it will surely reach new all-time highs by 2030. Now for the major narrative of today's video. Huge 2.7 trillion stockpile gives Shiba Inu cause for optimism. Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency with a dog motive, has gained a lot of investor confidence today, mostly because on-chain variables are making future price moves seem favorable. A crypto market whale was seen to have amassed an incredible 2.7 trillion Shib from a crypto exchange today, July 20. This story highlights the token's ability to increase in value, opening the door for a potential 3860 unit price objective in the future. This is a quick update on the market statistics for the meme currency with a dog theme and what they mean for the price movement in the future. Based on information condensed by the Tracker Whale Alert, it was noted that 2.70 trillion Shiba Inu coins, worth $48.34 million, had been amassed from the Robinhood cryptocurrency trade. The transaction was recorded as having been completed by the unidentified whale address. Upon closer examination of the wallet address, Etherscan data showed that it now contained an astounding $653.52 million worth of Shiba Inu tokens. The whale's unwavering faith in and interest in the asset has generated excitement about the meme-based token's future prospects, mainly because of this enormous holding. The token's potential for profit has greatly piqued investor interest thanks to the enormous whale accumulation. However, the chief creator of Shiba Inu, Satoshi Kusama, recently took the stage to emphasize the coin's decentralized possibilities even further. Kusama hinted that the Shiba Inu ecosystem is a workable remedy that reduces the hazards associated with centralized systems in light of the most recent royal strike disruption. This story has generated more conversation and is encouraging Shib news. In the meanwhile, Shib stock seems to be riding an upward wave, helped by the purchasing pressure generated by the whale described before. Shiba Inu army gathers to persuade Binance to burn 1% of SHIB tokens every day. The communities of Shiba Inus advocate for a symbolic burn. A well-known Shiba Inu community member Lambib started a Change.org petition on July 17, 2024, asking Binance to back the daily burn of 1% of all SHIB transaction tokens. With this strategy, the supply of SHIB will be progressively reduced, increasing its scarcity and potential value. This petition was initiated because Binance burnt Luna with revenue from fees, following a similar course of conduct. Past achievements and potential for the future. The Shiba Inu group is no stranger to using petitions for its own purposes. The inclusion of SHIB on Robinhood in 2022 as a result of a similar petition was a noteworthy accomplishment. This most recent attempt to persuade Binance is similar to previous tactics, but it has more implications for the token's value and market presence overall. The function of token burns in virtual currencies. A calculated move to reduce the quantity of tokens in circulation and create scarcity that may raise their value is known as token burning. As to the Shiba Inu community, their long-term objective for value development is in line with burning 1% of everyday Shiba transactions. These strategies have shown efficacy in several projects, strengthening the tokenomics via the reduction of supply and increase in demand. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.